Currently, I'm paying a mortgage which started last year at a rate of 6 Ghana cedis to the dollar. I think averagely I pay roughly about 3,000 cedis every month as mortgage fee to the bank. Now, looking at the rate of the dollar, it's almost above 9 cedis. Last time I had to pay over 6,000 Ghana cedis to offset a monthly mortgage fee. I mean, how can I manage this for the next 5 years, for the next 10 years, for the next 15 years, based on the duration of the mortgage?
Felix Kabute is a mortgager, and he speaks to Citi Business News anonymously about how he's struggling to repay his home loans. He is not the only one going through this. There are many out there like him facing the same situation. Ghana's economy for some time now has been going through challenging times, including rising inflation and a rising debt situation. This is largely due to the lingering COVID-19 pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine crisis. Also, the local currency has been suffering strong depreciation, especially against the US dollar since the beginning of the year. According to the summary of macroeconomic and financial data by the Bank of Ghana, on the interbank forex market, the Ghana cedi, as of July 2022, has depreciated by 19.2% against the US dollar. It is no doubt that the continuous depreciation of the local currency is impacting negatively on key sectors of the economy. One of these is the mortgage industry. Frank Opongyeboa is the manager of mortgage business at Republic Bank Ghana PLC, and he throws more light on how the situation is affecting the industry.
The cedi depreciation is seriously impacting on business and mortgage, as a matter of fact, because of the interest rate that has gone up. Mortgage is basically worked out based on age, interest rate, and then income. With those who have already acquired property through mortgage, the challenge is we can look at it in two phases. One, there are some who earn in cedis and took the mortgage in dollars. Their situation is worse because what happens is, let's assume for analysis purpose, let's use that beginning of the year exchange rate was 5 Ghana cedi to a dollar. Now you took a mortgage of $100,000. 5 Ghana cedi to a dollar would be 500,000. And let's say you were paying $2,500 as your repayment, and because exchange rate of 5 cedis, it was $2,500. Now the dollar is about 9 Ghana cedi to a dollar. So your same loan, your income has not gone up, nothing has really happened. The same loan is now 900,000 Ghana cedis. Your repayment of $500 is supposed to be $4,500. Remember, your income was $5,000. Your income hasn't increased. So you will be left with 500 Ghana cedis to take home, to feed your family, your transport, utility bills, everything, 500 Ghana cedis. That's how bad it is.
With exchange rate stability, a mortgage repayment obligation, which is normally denominated in US dollars, could with some level of certainty be honored. In the absence of this, coupled with the economic crisis we are currently facing, mortgagers are struggling to honor their monthly repayment commitments. Sadly, there's little stakeholders can do to salvage the situation. Despite this, Frank Opongyeboa is hoping government and stakeholders will put in place measures to stem the situation.
Government is the helm of affairs of this country, and that we hear about the coming in of the IMF to help boost the economy and bring it on track. I don't think this situation in which we are would drive for too long. That's what I believe. I think that it will not take too long. Things will be normalized. Okay, so in the short term, I think that such organizations can have some relief for their customers, maybe deferment of the loans, repayments, or they can have some sort of arrangement with their customers and then help them in the situation, because we are not in normal times.